Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video Python course for beginners, and in this video we will solve some Python exercise. So this is Python exercise set 3 video. So in this video we have 3 exercise. So let's solve this. The first one is create a simple calculator. So create a simple letter. So to create a calculator, we take input from the user. So we take two numbers from the user. So the first one is number 1. We convert it to the floating number. Then we take input, enter first number. And number 2, enter second number. So we are taking two numbers, two inputs from the user, that is number 1 and number 2. So then we do arithmetic operations. So we are creating calculator, so we do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition is so we write, I am using a string, I am formatting the string and using a placeholder. Number 1 plus number 2. So we are creating calculator, we take two inputs, two numbers from the user, the first number and the second number, and performing arithmetic operations, the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's run this. So give a number, first number 10, 15. So the addition is 25, subtraction is minus 5, multiplication is 150 and division is 0.666. So we have created a simple calculator. So let's solve another exercise, that is find an average of numbers. So let's create a variable, that is average, and write some numbers, 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 100. You can write any numbers. We are solving the average. And divide these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5. So use braces. So the first of all these equation will be solved, and then last the division will be solved. So let's print the answer. So its answer is 20. So this is way to find average of numbers with the help of Python program. So let's another exercise, that is takes values of variable a and b as input and evaluate the following equation: x equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first we create two variables. We take input from the users in these variables and convert it to the integer variable, integer data type. Enter value of a, enter value of b, and then we create a variable x and solve this equation. So to do square of any number, we multiply that number with itself, with that number. So we want to take the square of a, so we write a multiplication a, so it will solve or find the square of a, then plus, and then we do 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b, so 2 multiply a multiply b, and again addition, then again squaring of a, so we multiply b with the b, and let's print its answer. So let's run this. So I give the value of a is 4 and value of b is 6 and answer is 100. So let's do this again, and 21 53, the answer is 5476. So that's all for today. We will solve some exercise and learn more about Python in next videos.